This is an applied problem about work. In fact, it's about copying time. CopyQuick has two copiers. One can copy a year-end report in 20 minutes. The other can copy the same document in 30 minutes. How long would it take both machines working together to copy the report? Well, let's first familiarize ourselves with this problem. And we know that we need to find the time that it's going to take both of these machines to do the job working together. So let's call that t. Let t equals the time. And this is going to be in minutes. Required if the machines work together. Now, we need to translate this to some kind of an equation, which is the second step in our process. And what we'll use to start the translation is the work principle, which says that t over a plus t over b equals 1. In this equation, t is the time that it requires for two people or two machines to do a job working together, where one of them takes A minutes, hours, whatever, to do the job, and the other takes B minutes or hours to do the job. And in this particular problem, we know that one machine can do the job in 20 minutes and the other can do it in 30 minutes. So I'll substitute 20 for A, and I'll substitute 30 for B in this equation. And then this is the equation that we need to solve to find our result. So let's go to that step and solve. I have an equation, and I'd like to clear the fractions from this equation as the first step. And when I look at 20 and 30, if I would do the prime factorization of each of these numbers, I would see that the least common multiple of 20 and 30 is 60. So if I multiply both sides of this equation by 60, I will clear the fractions. And let's do that. 60 multiplying on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side multiplying by 60. Now on the left I have 60 times t over 20 plus 60 times t over 30. And on the right-hand side I have 60 times 1, or just 60. On the left, 60 times t over 20 gives me 3t, and 60 times t over 30 gives me 2t, and that's equal to 60. 3t plus 2t is 5t, and when I divide both sides by 5, I have t is equal to 12. So it looks like the solution is that it will take 12 minutes for the machines to do the job working together. And let's check that and see if it is a correct solution. We're checking 12 minutes. Now, we know that one of the machines can do the job in 20 minutes. So in 12 minutes, it does 12 times 1 over 20 of the job, or this is, this is 3/5 of the job. And the second machine can do the job in 30 minutes alone. So in 12 minutes, it does 12 times 1 over 30 of the job, which is 2/5 of the job. And together then in 12 minutes, they do 3/5 of the job plus 2/5 of the job, or one complete job. So we know that we have a correct solution. And let's state that solution. It would take 12 minutes to copy the report using both machines working together.